Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell to get notified when we drop another banger lit video. What's up, TV squad? Y'all see the title, so you know what we are doing today. Anyways, before me even get no further, I just wake up. As some look when I wake, yeah, I know rough done, but that's cool. Just wake up, teeth and brush, nothing. Oh, embarrassing. If I come attack soon and teeth and brush, but you know we're not but door at. Anyways, today I'm gonna spend the day with me and my nephew and Michaela in the house with us. We're not in the house. So look on them. I don't know this don't look safe, but I'm gonna show them Michaela. And say hi to my nephew. Say hey. Guys, I don't swear in the air. Watch it. And look here. We vlogging today. We are vlogging today. When I look back, Michaela face and she just wake up. Whoa! Hey, the can't sleep. Look at her face and she just wake. She's not even wake. Me go wake her up. Because I'm waking up this little girl and she be like, what? Girl, wake up when myself wake up. Wake up when myself wake up. So I go bother her. Cause she wake up. We are black today. Get up. Tired for why you work? Are you working? Oh, you get up, girl. We are vlogging today. We have to put up video for the people then. 1 minute what? Marvin, tell her get up. Say get up. We got to give people them better lighting and everything. Get up. We are show them. We look up. I don't know if man will tell them, but we are show them. No man. Mama, I'm just wait. But don't come at me. Look on the earth. Anyways, we are showing the breakfast everything. Let's spend it in the house with us. Okay, that's what we're doing. That's what. I can't, my baby, I talk to her. Anyways, guys, Michaela in her, she just wake up. And you know when people just wake up, all them know nobody bother them. And me bother her, so. But it's like wait till she get up. Michaela, get up, mama, and come say good morning. Anyways, in next clip, you see her shake off the phone because she's bright. So, guys, y'all are spending the day with us. Let's get right into our hours after, probably 2 or 3 hours, both so. And remember me saying in the house vlog, we really don't do nothing. We don't do nothing. My baby just wake up, even baby, my nephew, you know. This is Kayla, brother, if you never know. Talk to them. Say hi. Find the angle, they make your face look big. Say hi. I dance, I know I'm making dance soon when I time them, but the place is bored. We don't have nothing to do, like. Look at this a big something. I should like big splash out cold foot mango. Should like cold foot mango with you, but we don't have nothing else to do. But can I feel hungry now? You feel hungry, girl? You're always hungry.
No, we just dancing.
Alright. But we don't have nothing to do. Couple hours after, me beard, baby beard, and yo wish your beard. Yo wish your beard. We don't feel no, you know. Me beard, I'm a baby beard, she don't beard from morning, and it's now 2-2.
At 1 o'clock now.
At 2-2.
At 1 o'clock,
It's
2-2. 2-2.
Me never say. You idiot. Anyways, we not probably just go watch a relax and go watch a movie. I just go on YouTube, watch on YouTube or whatever. Because I don't got nothing else to do.
I'm gonna play a game.
Yeah, she play game for morning.
Live.
For morning, I play game. Watch. Dancer? You may feel the dancing vibe, so we get back to you whenever. Dance. Yeah. The boy start dancing as soon as the camera come off him. Anyways, we get back to you when. I don't know. Whenever, okay? Yeah, so. In the night mode. Bye, guys. Because it's a few days later. I'm not gonna tell you lie, about 2 days later. And the reason why I'm never continuing the vlog because I do this something and then bloops. Kayla, come here. Bloops. Now my sister come. What was the sister I mean? My period go come and you know so when you depend that all your energy just drop. Everything just done for. So I couldn't get to continue it or nothing like that because it does kill my vibes and everything. I have to one beach vlog this week and then that. Yo, it's a bag of things. So I'm just going to off right here. So this over here, sir, I feed her face. Watch her. Where I eat? The girl just greedy. You get on place? Yeah, we're going to end it off right there. So 2 days later. Sorry for
guys, And it have right that's all guys. You know one piece? Eat piece. As usual, I always play a game. Yeah.
From here.
So guys.
Thanks for watching.
I'm a share like, share, subscribe, share the post notification bell to get notified when you Bang! Lit video!